Daniela, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the sweater weather TikTok trend, which is like one of my favorites because it's so fun to do and also like really easy to learn. Anyone could do it. But before we get started, please make sure to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started with the first move. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to step forward twice. It's as easy as that. You're going to grab your right leg and you're going to step. Then you're going to put your legs together and then step again. That's it. And for your hands, with your right hand, you're going to snap twice. So like you're going to step and snap and then step and snap. As easy as that. So once again, step, step. And now here comes like the fun part. So we're just going to be jumping. And for our hands, we're going to do circles. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're just going to step on your left leg and then on your right leg like that. And while you do those steps, those jumps, you're going to do this with your hands. So in total it's 4 times. Then what you're going to do is the same 2 jumps, just like that, but you're going to show a heart with your hands. Well, you can do it like this, however you want to. And then you're going to show like a house because it talks about a house. So you're just going to put your hands over your head. So once again, from the beginning, step, step, and then jump, 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 heart, and then house. That's it. So after this, what we're going to do is we're going to pat on our legs twice, just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to lift your right leg, and you're going to step and turn facing backwards. And then after that, you're going to again lift your leg and turn facing forwards. So from here, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. And now for the very last part, this one, everyone does it differently, but what people usually do is just you cross your legs, uncross, and then your right leg goes back and you're going to touch your heel with your left hand, and then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. That's the whole dance. Okay, so step, step, and jump, 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 and then pat, pat, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then cross and cross back, and cross back. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!